Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by checking essentials. Your phone and LG TV must be on the same Wi-Fi network, so switch networks now if needed. Once done, make sure both devices have recent updates installed. This avoids compatibility problems. Disable unnecessary radios like Bluetooth for a cleaner connection. You should also confirm the TV's screen share or AirPlay setting is enabled in the TV menu. This opens the ports the phone needs to detect the TV. Now move to pairing. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast. On iPhone, open Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring. You'll see your LG TV listed. Tap it, and then accept the prompt that appears on the TV to authorize the session. If you're inside an app like YouTube or Netflix, use the Cast or AirPlay icon to stream just that app. This uses less battery than full mirroring. Make sure your phone stays unlocked while the connection finalizes, and watch for any PIN request from the TV. Once connected, check picture orientation and resolution on your phone so the TV displays sharp video. Change settings if the image is cropped or stretched. If latency or reliability is an issue, consider a USB-C or Lightning to HDMI adapter for a direct wired link. This bypasses network problems. If you can't see the TV, restart the router, then the TV, then the phone, and retry. This simple reset clears most network issues. If a PIN appears, enter it exactly as shown to complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.